Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can turn off autoplay for videos in Canva. In order to do so, first off, you want to make sure that you're on the home page of Canva, and then you're going to find the settings icon up at the top right hand corner. You can go ahead and click that, and that will take you back to your account page. And from here, what you're looking for is under your account. So this is already where you're going to default here. You just have to scroll down a little bit and you can see here we have the section that says autoplay videos. Right now it's set to use my system preferences. I can go ahead and turn autoplay videos off. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.